Hey beautiful people, Merry Christmas and I wish you a Happy New Year in advance. Let me know in the comment section how you are doing at this moment, like this very minute you're watching. Drop your comment and tell me how you are, where you are, how are you enjoying the Christmas. I am someone who likes to do evaluation of what I have done in sometimes in months, in years, and usually December is quite a normal period for people to have a reflection and see if what they've done so far, the whole year is being productive, if they need to readjust. I feel like these things should be done every month or probably every time necessary. But usually December is a good time to reflect in the whole year. So I have just looked at YouTube as something I started January this year, and 1 year is a good time for me to see if it's been productive for me and if it's something I would still want to continue next year. And I thought, okay, I would just make a video to show you guys how much I've actually made on YouTube. And probably if any of you have the urge to start a channel, or you are just looking at something to give you a push, because some people, when they see revenues of YouTubers, that's when they believe that you can actually make a good side hustle. And not just side hustle, some people turn YouTube to their full-time job. I'll be showing you my analytics and how much I have made. I made a video of how much YouTube paid me for the first few months and the requirements to get monetized on my last video. I'm going to leave the link in the description so we don't repeat ourselves, okay? Seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Dayo Goodness and I am a registered nurse currently practicing here in the UK. I vlog about life in the UK, nursing, and my travel adventures. I hope it is something you would love to know more about. Check my previous videos, you'll find something really interesting, and also subscribe to stay updated with my content. A little bit of background of my channel. I started my YouTube channel in 17th of January 2022. At the moment, I am making this video with 7,610 subscribers. So thank you so much for 7,610 amazing subscribers. There are lots of ways you can earn money on YouTube. You can earn money through brand partnership, through affiliate links. But today I'm going to be sharing just my YouTube revenue, okay? So at the moment, I've got 272% more views than usual in the last 28 days. It means there is a progress on my channel and I'm happy with that. My views has gone up 85.1K views in the last 28 days. My watch time as well has gone up, and my subscribers in the last 28 days I've gotten 1.5 thousand subscribers, which is a huge. It's like 800 more than usual in the last 28 days, okay? My channel got monetized in 19th July 2022. All the videos I've made since January till 17th of July wasn't paid. They only started getting adverts and being paid after my monetization, which is July 2022. So that is what I'm going to be showing you. So I made a total of $48.16 in July, and in August I made $154.52 in August. In September it dropped down to $133.60 in September. I recently launched my channel membership. This is a platform whereby I get to connect with you more intimately. So for my membership, there are 3 levels. All these levels has its perks, okay? So with the levels, you are able to connect with me more privately. There's even a level that I will be able to do a live stream personally with you where we can chat, and if you have any questions or if you just want to know more about anything I have been doing, we can have a more personal chat. On my membership as well, to give you live updates, like if I get a job, I will tell you first before I post it on the main channel. I'm in the process of relocating to Australia. If I get my visa, people on my membership will be the first to know. Like, they get quick updates because it does take time for me to edit videos and upload them, but with my membership I can just post it as a picture, as a very short video. I don't need to edit. My channel members have more updates about my life and just my career, and anything I feel like they need to know or they have interest in, I let them know. They have a sticker on their name where you see that they are subscribed to my membership. Some people want me to reply to them quicker. Some people want to know more than what I just post for the public consumption. So if you would want to be part of my membership, please do where to subscribe. It is very affordable, and you can cancel at any time if you don't find value in it, okay? One reason why I am making this video is just to be more intimate with you, my subscribers, because I feel like you are part of my success, and every view, every like you give me, every comment you drop on my channel makes a huge difference. I still want to use the opportunity to say thank you for always liking my videos, commenting. Sometimes I say drop blue hearts and you drop the blue hearts. These things pushes my video, and recently I have seen that YouTube have started recommending my videos to more audience, more than usual. I want to say thank you, because those blue hearts you dropped for me made a difference. The likes you did made a difference. You joining my premiere on time makes a difference. I still want to say thank you so much. These things means a lot to me. I am doing YouTube for so many reasons, and one of the reasons is to make an impact. I know the money aspect is there, but since I had to start my YouTube channel is to make an impact, and that's why most of the time what I share on my YouTube is basically what will benefit you as an individual, and most especially nurses, okay? Because I am a nurse, and it's so hard to run away from the fact that I have something to give to nurses. When I started my channel, I wanted it to be just travel content, but I realized that I cannot just be showing my travels without really showing how I make money for my travels, and definitely my day-to-day life, because I am not solely a traveler. I also nurse people, okay? So I felt like I can do both. I can make the channel a travel channel, and also I can make the channel a nursing channel, because I won't be on the road all the time and I won't be nursing all the time. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you my pay for only AdSense, okay? YouTube AdSense, which means every time you watch an ad on my channel, that is when I get paid. So make sure you don't skip any of my ads, okay? Yes, thank you. Most of my viewers are in the United Kingdom. 36% of my viewers are UK. Nigeria, you have 21.6%. Ghana, Nanel, Ghana, 5.9%. United States, 2.9%, and Kenya, 2.5%. These are my top locations, okay, for my YouTube viewers. And one thing about YouTube is where your viewers are watching you from makes a difference in your pay as well. People not subscribe, 71%. This means a lot of people that watch my channel do not press the subscribe button. I'm using this opportunity to say please and please and please, if you watch my video and you find any of them useful, please subscribe, okay? Some people forget to subscribe. Some people do not know that they have to subscribe to see my content frequently. The subscribe button is now black. It's no longer red. So hit the black subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. It is free, guys. It's free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Age group plays a role in your revenue. So I have more people in the age bracket of 25 to 34 years old watching my channel than the rest of the age group. So now let's go straight to how much YouTube paid me in the year 2022, because that's why we're here, in it. So in October, it went up. You guys, when I got 133.60, I wasn't happy because it was below what I had in August. In September, it went up to 133, which I was really happy for. Only I just want to see a progress. I don't want to see a dip in my revenue. I want to see a progress, even if it's $1 extra. It just makes a difference, okay? It doesn't really have to be huge, but as long as it's a $1 or 0.5 pence difference, I am happy with that, okay? In the month of October, I made a total of $164.08. And then there was an increase in the month of November. In the month of November, I made a total of $257.65, which is one of the highest I've made. And then, drum rolls for the month of December, I made a total of $305 in the month of December, and that is still counting. And now the big figure, how much in total did I make in the whole year? Let's go to my lifetime on YouTube. In the year 2022, I made a sum of $1,064.58. Revenue in December more when I haven't uploaded a lot. That is a good thing about YouTube, guys. With YouTube, The videos I made since January as at December is still paying me money because people are still searching for those contents. So that's why most people say make searchable content. Most of my contents are how to do this, how to do that, how I got this, how I got that. So even if I leave nursing today, people will still search for my nursing content, if you know what I mean. Hope you love my content enough to subscribe. I still hope you support me, watch my ads, join my membership, use my affiliate links, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys later. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from me to you.